Getting annoyed with the Unity Timeline Module DLL error causing your game to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's fix the link between your engine and your system architecture. To begin the walkthrough for Unity Timeline Module, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Unity Timeline Module, a critical .NET module for the Unity engine that manages the localized timeline sequencing and cinematic triggers. If missing or corrupted, Unity-based games will crash when attempting to load an intro cinematic or a scripted cutscene, citing a scripting engine load failure. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Because Unity Timeline Module DLL is an embedded file used by Unity Engine, it cannot be repaired by standard Windows tools, and you should download the latest version of the affected software to restore the missing library automatically. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Unity Timeline Module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Most individual downloads of Unity Timeline Module DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Unity Timeline Module references. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Unity Timeline Module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.